Simple round robin with queue assign. Assign new leads that appear on an incoming leads queue to a sales team on a round robin basis. Choose assignment groups. Create a new assignment group. Give your assignment group a name, and although not mandatory, a description is often helpful. We're going to be working with leads, so we'll need to change the default object of case to the lead object. We need to enable the assignment group so that it is available to run. We just need to check the It's Enabled button. It's defaulted to the source of queue, but we do need to choose the queue we're going to assign leads from. We are then going to use the selection criteria to define which specific leads we're going to assign off the queue. In this instance, we're going to assign leads based on their status. Here the status needs to be equal to open for them to be assigned. The assignment mode is already round robin by default, so there's no need to change that. We can now save the assignment group. We will now be adding members to the assignment group. You can assign queues or users. In this instance, we're going to assign it to 2 users. These users will then be available for a lead assignment. 2 users now showing. They're available for assignment. We can now assign leads to them. We have 2 leads in the system. For example, both on the incoming leads queue and the status are open and available for assignment. We need to make sure that queue assign is running. Here we press the master switch to turn on queue assign. Depending on the frequency you've defined in the scheduler, it could take up to that time for the leads to be assigned. In this instance, it's about 1 minute. Refreshing after that period of time, the leads have been assigned from the incoming queue to the assignment group members on a round robin basis.